Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to put together just a sweet little bouquet using kind of wildflowers, more linear flowers, kind of busier flowers. I'm also going to include these dried oranges in there. So it's kind of like a nice transition from the hot summers into fall where it's not, completely fall and it's not spring, so it's just kind of a neat way to segue into like the September month, and especially if you have an outdoor wedding. A lot of wildflowers are either going to be used as a filler flower, kind of like this baby's breath here, and then I often think of lavender as wildflowers. So using these type of flowers where there's not really a true focal flower, I try to do it a little bit taller and a little bit more one-sided, if that makes sense. So I'm not too concerned with what's going on in the back. There's going to be a definite front to the bouquet. And then that way I can kind of create interest with those kind of peachy colored flowers by staggering them throughout the bouquet there. I do have a few berries that I'm going to keep kind of low. Thinking about how these flowers grow naturally, the lavender is definitely going to be tall, so taller than the flowers. So I'm trying to keep the bouquet with the lavender taller too, just so it looks a little bit more natural. These are artificial flowers, but it's really kind of hard to tell that they're artificial. I'm going to work in the orange slices a little bit lower, a little bit closer to the hand. They're darker and they're kind of heavier, so I don't want to keep them on top. And at Hobby Lobby, they sell these little bundles of fluffiness. I don't know what they are. It's in the wedding department. But to give the bouquet a little bit more movement, I thought it was a nice color complement. And I'll just tuck it along to help hide the mechanics too of the bouquet. I did work in a little bit of some spiral eucalyptus, just to kind of give it a background. And then I put a little shoestring bow on it, and there you go. Just kind of a quick and easy, sweet little bouquet for a wedding or special event.